Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Spicetify in your PC. Let's start. First download Spotify from Spotify's official page. Then install the Spotify in your PC. After the installation, close the Spotify and go to the Spicetify page. Copy the PowerShell command. Then open the PowerShell terminal and paste it, then hit enter. In my case, it didn't ask to abort the process. If it asks on your system, then just press N. Then it asks to install a marketplace. Hit the Y and continues. Now the command has done its work and Spotify will open automatically. Then log into the Spotify. After login, go to the marketplace and install the ad blocker and some theme you like. After the installation of the ad blocker, close the Spotify and open. The Explore Premium will automatically removed. Hope you guys like this video. Hit the freaking subscribe and see you again.